how to turn on maintenance mode on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, and then in here, tap on device care. Next, we scroll down and then tap on maintenance mode, and then tap on turn on. Now sit here, we start without creating lock, so tap on that and then tap on restart. And now the phone is switching to maintenance mode. And just wait for your phone to restart. And that's it. When you boot up your device on your home screen, on the bottom left corner, you can see it said maintenance mode. And if you want to exit maintenance mode, you can do that via the settings menu. So we go into settings and then scroll down, and in here tap on device care, then we go all the way down and tap on maintenance mode, and then just tap on exit. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.